we're going to wrap it up. It is Friday. We're almost there, folks. And Jeff,
we just have to do one more thing.
Okay, let's start. Go.
Mars Moments. A kitten was left for dead by his owner. Probably because, I know, wow.
What a downer.
You better bring this up, Jeff Murray.
Yeah, this has a good ending, I can see it.
It does. I think the owner left this kitten on the side of the road because of the way the cat looked. The cat's grown up now, has a new pair of owners, and is now a superstar. And it's because of the way he looks. That's right, his name is Jarvis, and he is the cross-eyed cat. And he's a very special cat.
Nick Monticelli.
It's okay.
I'm laughing because he's cute.
No, he's cute, and this is a very strange case, but this cat has been featured on Good Morning America. The cat is all over the internet. I think he's still able to move around just fine. And
You get used to it after a while.
I think so.
Yeah, he's all right.
Yeah.
He looks rather large there too.
Yeah, he's well fed.
Healthy boy.
Yep. This is something you guys are going to like, too. When I was living in Texas, we would go to these stores called H-E-B. I don't know if you've heard of H-E-B. It's a grocery store chain.
All right.
There's a guy who loaded up his cart with about $2,000 worth of merchandise and tried to make a run for it. Just tried to steal it all.
Of course.
But someone found out what he was doing, didn't expect that he was going to run into this group. And here's what he was trying to get away with.
Wine, high-end appliances, a lot of stuff, not only just groceries, but a lot of high-end merchandise.
Yeah, he thought he was in the clear, but somebody was watching his every move. A group of Girl Scouts.
Wow.
They were out front selling cookies. They saw the suspicious behavior. They told the store manager. The guy got busted, and the store thanked the girls by framing their picture in the store, and the store bought all of their Girl Scout cookies that they were trying to sell. About 100 boxes.
Wow.
100 boxes?
Yeah.
That's a lot of money.
So if
Aren't those things like $6 a pop?
Yeah, they're not
$4
cheap,
maybe?
right?
I think
$4.
It's $400.
That's
great.
right.
When you see them here locally outside of our grocery stores, they're there. They're so sweet. They ask you, do you want any cookies? Or the boys, they do popcorn, I think. Good for them.
I bet that suspect wished those girls didn't tag along.
Right.
To his-
Mar, you've been sitting on that for hours.
He worked on that overnight. And if you missed it, tag along. That's the name of
It's a type of cookie. Yeah, whatever.
How long did you work on that one?
A long time. I wanted to end with this. If you lose a bet and you make a bet that you're going to regret, you can end up doing something humiliating, like this older brother who lost a basketball game to his younger brother, and the bet was if you lose the game, which he did, you have to go dance on a street corner for 30 minutes to the music that the little brother picks out. So we're going to end on that. He was embarrassed. It was a long 30 minutes, but now it's
Now he has
viral.
friends.
Have a great weekend. See you back here for News 10 Midday. Oh my goodness.